Shiba Inu has seen some hike in its price in the last week of trading. However, the price still needs to go past its previously tested levels of resistance. If I sold my wife to build on its bullish momentum, while Zach Humphreys, a crypto analyst, tweeted recently that SHIB might not be going to $1 anytime soon, ChatGPT has a different perspective about it altogether. In a recent X update, the Shiba Inu team with the old 2024-2025 plan specifics. Lucy, Shiba Inu's marketing head, shared facts from a discussion with Satoshi Kusama, the main developer and co-founder. Lucy provided insight into the Shiba Inu ecosystem's future views, ambitions, and development plan. And while specifics of the discussion remain private, Lucy stated, the goal is to have everything finished by the end of this year. This underlines the commitment to complete existing initiatives and introduce new features to the Shiba Inu ecosystem by the end of 2024. Lucy mentioned ongoing projects such as the creation and use of decentralized apps and the beneficial effects of new collaborations on the Shiba network. The accomplishment of the ecosystem's aims is likely to have a significant impact on the tokens Bone, Leash, and SHIB, particularly shitburns. A renowned pseudonymous crypto expert, Ali, recently stated that SHIB was seeing a surge in buying activity. Notably, there has been a large outflow of over 8 trillion SHIB from recognized crypto exchange wallets since November 2023, and popular sports personalities like SHIB too, with Filipino boxing legend Manny Pacquiao announcing that his charitable foundation will use the meme coins network for fundraising. The Manny Pacquiao Foundation will incorporate Shiba Inu within the foundation's operations. In a whirlwind of cryptocurrency fervor, meme coins propelled by vibrant communities have seized the spotlight. SHIB emerged as a major player, riding the waves of community support rather than real-world utility. And such has been the craze that in the past as well, AMB Crypto has inquired about what AI bots like ChatGPT think of SHIB. And the tale began in 2020 when an enigmatic figure or a group named Ryoshi started SHIB as an ironical tribute to the eponymous Japanese dog breed, also Dogecoin's mascot, a parody of the crypto frenzy. The project started from zero, with zero in the spirit of creating something out of nothing. It was not founded by an existing community or pre-assembled team. SHIB, an Ethereum-based ERC20 token, quickly soared in popularity due to its charismatic SHIB army and strategic endorsements by online influencers. And that's not going to go in Dogecoin. And also fueled SHIB's meteoric rise. The SHIB army, a passionate community, spearheaded SHIB's success, accumulating over 27 million% in price rise from January to October 2021. July 2021 saw the emergence of ShibaSwap, SHIB's decentralized exchange. It marked a paradigm shift, adopting the automated market maker model. It allowed users to dig, provide liquidity, bury, stake, fetch, retrieve, and swap SHIB, Leash, and Bone tokens. The innovative passive income reward system, along with a 6-month lock rule, brought a new dimension to the DeFi landscape. And while skeptics viewed SHIB as a pump-and-dump coin lacking real-world utility, its decentralized meme token status found resonance within the crypto community. The SHIB token, encapsulated in the wolf paper, aimed to experiment with spontaneous decentralized community building, putting power back into the hands of people, and positioned as the Dogecoin killer, and is often cheered on to surpass its precursor. Ryoshi, the mysterious creator, stirred a storm in the crypto realm by transferring 50% of SHIB's supply to Ethereum's Vitalik Buterin. The transfer of such a huge sum being gifted to an individual triggered debates around SHIB's decentralization. This move fueled controversy, raising questions about decentralization. However, Buterin unprecedented burn of SHIB tokens worth $6.6 billion alleviated concerns and showcased SHIB's resilience. And the uniqueness of the Shiba Inu ecosystem actually lies in its colossal total supply, an astronomical 1 quadrillion tokens. And SHIB's market presence expanded as it secured listings on major exchanges, including Coinbase, Binance, Huobi, and KuCoin. The American exchange, Robinhood, however, remained cautious due to security concerns. The roadmap for SHIB's future remained shrouded in secrecy, with developers hinting at potential coin merges and a metaverse entry, signaling continued evolution. In a recent revelation, Now Nodes, a prominent node operator and blockchain API developer, declared Shiba Inu's Shibarium Layer 2 solution as one of the best performing networks in the blockchain technology ecosystem. Now Nodes conveyed that Shibarium has proven to be a standout performer, processing over 66 million requests since its launch in August this year. Taking to X, Now Nodes expressed enthusiasm, stating, Shibarium Net was one of the best performing networks in our ecosystem. This month, our team prepared a milestone report dedicated to the success, most recent updates, and highlights of the network. And Now Nodes had been an early supporter of Shibarium, extending its support both before and after the Layer 2 solution's launch. And Shibarium's success lies in its robust performance, making it the most utilized L2 network in terms of providing seamless transactions to users. Outshining competitors, Shibarium has remained active and dynamic, with users consistently initiating transactions on the platform. Now let's dive into some details about the coin and what ChatGPT has to say about its price movement and the future. Well, I think, while Shiba Inu has often been labeled a meme coin, characterized by its playful dog-themed branding and community-driven nature, it's important to note that the term doesn't diminish its impact. Despite originating as a meme, the token has evolved beyond its initial classification. With a dedicated community and initiatives like the Shibarium L2 solution, Shiba Inu demonstrates resilience and innovation in the crypto space. And the meme coin label may overlook the substantial developments within the Shiba Inu ecosystem, reflecting a broader shift in perception from a meme-based token to a dynamic player in the cryptocurrency market. And so, curious as to whether SHIB could break free of the public perception of being labeled a meme coin. I asked ChatGPT about it. The results were interesting. ChatGPT seems to think that Shiba Inu's association with meme coins, stemming from its meme-inspired origins, doesn't confine its potential. Labels are limiting, and Shiba Inu, like a metaphorical jailbreaker, has the tools to transcend them. The key lies in visionary leadership, ongoing innovation, and a robust community. And beyond memes, Shiba Inu can redefine its narrative, becoming a substantial force in the crypto realm. The power is vested in those who recognize its disruptive potential. So then it views it through, rather than viewing it through the lens of the meme coin, Shiba Inu has the opportunity to rewrite its story and emerge as a formidable player. Shiba Inu's meteoric rise finds roots in the dual engines of influential endorsements and a fervent community. In Elon Musk, the tech magnate with a penchant for crypto, significantly impacted Dogecoin and Shiba Inu's trajectory through his tweets and TV appearances. His endorsements, even mentions, created a ripple effect, drawing attention to the meme-inspired token. This phenomenon, often dubbed the Elon effect, illuminated Shiba Inu in the crypto sphere, and so had problems made. So the convenience social media platforms became virtual battlegrounds for Shiba enthusiasts, amplifying the token's visibility. The strong community support fortified Shiba Inu against market fluctuations and skepticism, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem. I hovered over to ChatGPT for the AI's take on this. Curiously enough, the response suggested much more ChatGPT seems to think the Shiba Inu phenomenon reflects a shared aspiration to challenge the established financial order, seeking novel avenues for wealth creation. While influencers and communities act as catalysts, the enthusiasm is sustained by a fundamental desire for change and exploring uncharted territories in the crypto landscape. It is a reminder that beyond the hype lies a profound quest for redefining financial paradigms. There also seems to be a passion for embracing the transformative potential of decentralized technologies. Shiba Inu, in essence, becomes a symbol of this collective journey toward a decentralized and dynamic financial future. I asked ChatGPT to predict SHIB's price within a week, given its current price. And the AI bot predicted SHIB to rise to $0.00009 within a week, a rise of less than 10% on the part of SHIB over the next 7 days. It's a reasonable expectation by all means. And I then asked ChatGPT to predict SHIB's price towards the end of 2024. The bot forecasted the price of 2024 2.5x rise within a year. Again, a very reasonable estimate, given ChatGPT's frequent forecast of other exceedingly high price surges. Any crypto enthusiast following SHIB would have wondered, will SHIB reach $1 or even $0.1? Considering the latter scenario, which seems more likely than the former, I wondered if ChatGPT would be equally positive about it as I was. And ChatGPT's there's a response was too ambiguous, to say the least. It said making predictions about the price of cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu is akin to navigating uncharted waters. Even so, it remains positive that the $0.1 is within the realms of possibility as far as SHIB's concerned. The meme coin doesn't exist in isolation, though. SHIB, while a meme coin, is also influenced by other factors, just like other cryptocurrencies. And on the other side, you also put certain T7 days that not make an equity line relevant. While many cross to forecasts is incredibly really approach to simply under company less all of them, and you'll be training for, by and large, the crypto market indicates that success hinges on various dynamic factors, such as community support and broader market trends. Shiba Inu saw a 2.78% increase in its price in the last week of trading, standing at 270.70 at the time of writing. The relative strength index, or RSI, stood at 57 above the 50 mark, showing a weak bullish momentum. This sentiment was also reflected by the parabolic SAR, which saw markings being formed below the price movement, showing a possible upturn and a buy signal for traders. And then the price seems to be headed toward the next level of resistance, which is situated at $10,037. If the price can break past this level, and it can be expected to move further upwards. The Shiba Inu ecosystem is working on impacting its native tokens by emphasizing partnerships and the completion of ongoing projects. The time frame remains ambitious, but the team's devotion foreshadows an exciting period of growth for the Shiba Inu community. And ChatGPT has some optimistic predictions for the Shiba Inu token. And while it is still a popular option for many investors, given its expansion past its image of being just a meme coin, trading requires a lot of strategizing, and it's important to make informed decisions on your own before making any investments.